Hello everyone, today's a beautiful day out and I was thinking about reviewing today my homing pigeons. She's done to get out, but I can't let her get out because I just recently caught her. Then I have this beautiful male. And I stole this beautiful guy from it's a little female, I believe. The male I got out there, he brought her. I called the guy. He said he lives right here. And he's trying to show me. Oh, okay. Yeah, he's trying to show me this guy right here. What I mean by stealing is, like, we send out a male and he just flies around freely, and then he'll go to other people's houses where they have pigeons, and like he'll try to court them, and then he'll bring them back over here to that trap, and then we trap her. Basically what we do. And then what we do is when we call that guy, and if he really wants his pigeon back, they'll pay, $50, $100, just depending on the pigeon. Most of the time, they don't really want them, because if we're able to take it with another pigeon, then they're not really good pigeons, because, the sport is to have them. The sport is just to have them, stealing, not to get stolen. And then, so what we do is that if they're bad pigeons, we'll just trade them in for food. Basically it. I was thinking today also to show my jet ski. Taking her out this weekend, hopefully. It's gonna be ugly. It's gonna rain, but who cares? My Yamaha 2019 Deluxe VX, I believe. So I had her for renting, and then I just felt like just stop running it, because the Monday wasn't too bad, but I'm just putting so many hours into it, and I don't really just want it to get bad. But yeah, when taxes come back, I'm gonna repaint her, and I'm thinking about doing some like performance mods. So just comment below what you think I should do to it, because I'm not really sure. Yeah, I'm sorry, my baby just playing with a rock again. That's our other jet ski. I don't know if you can see the boat through here. We got the boat in the front. Yeah. That's the boat. We'll also take her out. The pickles is 5. Lucy have her in there because she wanted to know why they breathe. And then, yeah, she just hides, she jumps everywhere, and then I can't do a video in peace. So yeah. So back to my homing pigeons. Yeah, the reason that we keep them like that is so they can't see out, or when we send out the males, we need them covered so he doesn't see them. If he sees them, he won't want to go out. He'll just go to the cage and just try to, court them through the cage, and won't take off. But yeah, next video I'm gonna take him for a flight, and then I'll have him on video just flying around and doing what he does. So that's it for today. Make sure to subscribe. Thank you. And I'm out.